Join me as I put the iPad mini 7 to the test and see if it still reigns supreme as the king of compact tablets in 2025. The iPad mini 7 has long been a fan favorite in the compact tablet market, and for good reason. Its sleek design, impressive performance, and versatility have made it a staple for anyone looking for a reliable and portable device. When it comes to compact tablets, there are a few challenges that manufacturers face. For one, the lines between compact tablets and larger tablets have started to blur, making it harder for compact tablets to stand out. Additionally, user needs have evolved, and people are looking for devices that can keep up with their busy lifestyles. The rise of gaming and streaming has also put pressure on compact tablets to provide a seamless entertainment experience. Furthermore, with the advancement of smartphones, many users are questioning the need for a separate compact tablet. And lastly, the market has become increasingly saturated, with many brands offering their own takes on the compact tablet. In the midst of all this competition, the iPad mini 7 has held its own surprisingly well. But how does it stack up against newer competitors? For starters, the iPad mini 7 is still an incredibly portable device, weighing in at just 0.65 pounds and measuring a mere 7.2 millimeters thin. Its 8.3-inch display is vibrant and crisp, making it perfect for reading, browsing, or watching videos on the go. The A15 Bionic chip provides lightning-fast performance, and the battery life is still an impressive 10 hours. But what really sets the iPad mini 7 apart is its user experience, from the intuitive interface to the seamless integration with other Apple devices. When compared to some of the newer compact tablets on the market, the iPad mini 7 still holds its own. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, for instance, is a worthy competitor, but it can't quite match the iPad mini 7's level of performance. The Amazon Fire HD 8 is another popular option, but it falls short when it comes to display quality and user experience. The Lenovo Tab M10, on the other hand, is a budget-friendly option that gets the job done, but it can't quite compete with the iPad mini 7's premium feel. So, what do real users think of the iPad mini 7? I've spoken to several users who swear by their iPad mini 7, citing its ease of use, impressive performance, and portability as major selling points. One user even mentioned that they've been using their iPad mini 7 for over a year now, and it still feels like new. Of course, not everyone is a fan. Some users have expressed frustration with the limited multitasking capabilities and the lack of a headphone jack. Based on my research and testing, it's clear that the iPad mini 7 is still a top contender in the compact tablet market. While it may not be perfect, its unique combination of performance, portability, and user experience make it a hard-to-beat option for anyone looking for a reliable compact tablet. In conclusion, the iPad mini 7 is still an excellent choice for anyone in the market for a compact tablet. Its impressive performance, vibrant display, and seamless user experience make it a top pick, even in 2025. What do you think, guys? Do you think the iPad mini 7 is still the best compact tablet out there? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more tech reviews and comparisons. Don't forget to check out my other video where I put the latest Samsung tablet to the test, link in the description box below.